Hello everyone and welcome back to CodeByTushu. I hope you are doing great and making consistent progress in your coding journey. So today's we are back with another LeetCode daily challenge. So today's problem name is LeetCode 2996 smallest missing integer greatest than sequential prefix sum. So this is easy level array and hashing problem, but there is an important observation that make the solution very straightforward. So we need to first find the longest sequential prefix, calculate its sum, and then find the smallest integer greater than or equal to that sum which does not exist in the array. So today's we will understand the problem, identify the important observation, understand the approach, and then explain every single line of Java code in just one line. So without wasting any more time, let's start. First of all, problem understanding. We are given a zero indexed integer array called nums. A prefix is called sequential if every element after the first one is exactly one greater than the previous element. So now we need to find the longest sequential prefix of the array. After finding the prefix, we calculate its sum. Finally, we need to return the smallest integer that is greater than or equal to this sum and does not exist in the array, guys. So next is important observation, we simply start from to first element and continue while. As soon as this condition becomes false or longest sequential prefix ends. After calculating its sum, we need to find the smallest missing value starting from that sum. For this, we can store all array elements inside the hash set. Then we simply keep increasing sum while the current value exists in the set. So the first value that does not exist in the set is the answer. So approach first is find the longest sequential prefix and calculate its sum. And then, guys, store every element of the array inside a hash set for fast lookup. Next is final, starting from the prefix sum. Keep checking whether the current value exists in the set. If it does not, increment it until we find a missing value. So that missing value is the final answer. So guys, let's start Java code. So first of all, class solution and public solution by LeetCode. And next is this is store the length of input array. Sorry guys, background voice unnecessary. But next line is we initialization, then sequential prefix sum with the first element, and we start checking the sequential prefix from the second element. Guys, use the while loop. So we continue while the current element is exactly the one greater than the previous element. So we add the current sequential element to the prefix sum, and we move the next element of the array. So next line is we create a hash set to store the unique element for fast exist checks. So we iterate through every element of the input array. We insert the current number of this hash set. So use the again while loop, like we continue increasing the sum as long as that value already exists in the array. So we move the next integer because the current value is already present. This does not and close the loop searching the missing integer. So final value complete. So guys, and code is complete, and save the code and submit the code, and we will wait, guys. So code is right at complete strict 70 days, and click the cross button and check the case 1 and case 2, but return the first greater than or equal the prefix sum that is missing from the array, guys, is more bus. So time complexity omega n and space complexity omega n. That's all. So the key takeaway is that whenever we need to performance repeated existence checks in the array, a hash set can make those lookups very efficient. I hope this explained helped you understand this problem and the observation that and every line of Java code. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, comment your approach, and subscribe to CodeByTushu for more daily LeetCode challenge. And thank you so much, guys, for watching.